If we don't get new donations within the next few days, we will have a break in our supply line. It takes some time from receiving a donation, receiving money in the bank, to making it available, delivering it to the needy people on the ground. There's always several weeks, even if we rush it. And so we are really going to run out of food rations for the families if we don't get very quickly food.